Hi class, welcome to Area and Perimeter Review by Ms. Savory. This is our 4-5 math class and I'm creating this video to help you in case you get stuck. I need a quick review because the content moves quick and I understand how that goes, and sometimes we just need a little bit of explanation. So if that is the case, just refer back to this video and I'm sure your questions will be answered. Objective. Students will be able to understand and apply the formula for determining the area and perimeter of a rectangle to solve problems. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over some vocabulary that we need to know. The first word that you need to know is area. An area is the size of a surface. So this means the amount of space inside the boundary of a flat object, such as a triangle or circle, or the surface of a solid object. So below, you will see 3 graphics depicting an area of 9. They all have an area of 9, even though they all look a little bit different. The next word you need to know is perimeter, and that is the distance around a 2D shape. The perimeter of the rectangle below is 3 plus 3 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. Next, we will see how these formulas can be used in action. Formulas. For area, we are going to be using the formula length times width, or A equals L times W. Below you will see a graphic of how the formula can be used, and then you will also see how the area formula is used with numbers that were plugged in. The next formula is perimeter, and perimeter can be found by adding all of the sides together, so side plus side plus side plus side, or perimeter can be 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. P equals 2L plus 2, P equals 2 times L plus 2 times W. In 4th grade, I really want you to push yourself, especially since you're in accelerated math class, to use this formula of P equals 2L plus 2W. It really shows me your understanding of multiplication. You will see the graphic below also showing the formula being used in action and how it can be plugged in to help you solve a problem. Check this out. Here's a great vocabulary video that you can look at and watch to help you understand area and perimeter concepts. Pause the video now to check it out. Then jump back in and watch the rest of our lesson. So let's look at solving an area problem. Ms. Savory wants to get a new rug for the classroom. She measured the space that she has, and she found that she has a length of 9 feet and a width of 13 feet that she can cover. How big can the rug be? So I'm going to use the formula area equals length times width. I see that the length is 13 feet and the width is 9 feet. Now I'm going to use the expanded form to help me solve. This is a strategy that we practiced a lot last week, so it should be easy for you to remember how to use this strategy. I took 13 and I broke it up into 9 times 10 and 9 times 3. I know that 9 times 10 is 90 and 9 times 3 is 27. I'm going to take 90 and 27 and add them together to get 117 feet. So now I know that the rug can take up a total of 117 square feet. The area of the space is 117 square feet. Now let's look at perimeter. Ms. Booker wants to fence in our new field. The length of the field is 8 feet and the width of the field is 47 feet. How much fencing should she have the construction crew buy in order to fence in the whole area? So I'm using my formula P equals 2L plus 2W, and I plugged in my numbers, and then again I use the expanded form. For me, 47 feels like a big number, so I broke up 47 into 2 times 40 and 2 times 7. I added those together to get 94, and then I know 2 times 8. That's an easy fact, which is 16. So I can add 94 plus 16 to get 110 feet. Miss Booker will need to buy 110 feet of fencing. Here is some journal practice. Pause this video again or grab the worksheet from the bin to solve these few area problems and perimeter problems to help you further grasp the concept. If you need even more practice, you can check out Khan Academy and our online assignments, or Freckle and our online practice assignments. These are two great resources that have a lot of step-by-step and easy broken down problems for you in order to help you master the task. Thanks for watching and good luck!